guys, I'm Kanchana Yayadi.
Hi, my name is Prisha Udaysurian.
Hi, my name is Leela Shine.
Today I'll be talking about zoonotic diseases. These are the diseases that spread to animals to humans. For example, through direct contact like mosquito and ticks, or even the environment. They can be caused by viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi. Examples include rabies, COVID-19, leptospirosis, and bird flu. It's important to study zoonotic diseases because over 60% of the new diseases come from animals to humans. Things like farming, deforestation, and climate change makes the risk even higher. That's why the experts promote the One Health approach, which connects humans, animals, and environmental health to prevent and control these diseases better.
Zoonotic diseases or zoonosis are a type of infection that spreads from animals to humans, and they've actually caused more than 60% of emerging diseases worldwide. These can be spread in several ways. Some are direct, like getting a bite or a scratch from an infected animal, and some are indirect, like touching a contaminated surface. Tiny insects, like ticks or mosquitoes, are considered vectors, while other animals like rats and mice can spread this disease through their urine or droppings. You can also catch this disease through contaminated water, food, or even inhaling infected droplets, like in the case of avian flu or COVID 19. The number of zoonotic diseases have increased because of human activity that alters the environment. Urbanization, deforestation, and climate change has brought wildlife closer to us, while global travel and trade has made it easier for these type of diseases to spread. So, understanding how zoonosis move between humans, animals, and the environment is not just science, it's survival.
Zoonotic diseases are illness that spread from animals to humans. They can be caused by virus, bacteria, or parasites. These diseases spread through direct contact, contaminated surface, insect bite, or food. Examples include rabies from dog bites, bird flu from infected poultry, and COVID 19. Zoonotic disease can affect both health and the economy. To prevent them, we need to vaccinate animals, keep good hygiene, cook food properly, control insects, and raise public awareness. In Malaysia, rabies is controlled through dog vaccination and education to protect communities.
Zoonotic diseases are caused by harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites that move between animals and humans. These diseases spread in different several ways. The most common way is direct contact, such as touching, handling, or being bitten by an infected animal. Indirect contact can also spread diseases when a person comes into contact with contaminated surfaces, soil, or animal waste. Another major way is vector borne diseases, which happens when insects like mosquitoes, ticks, or fleas carry the disease from animals to humans. Foodborne transmissions occurs when people eat contaminated milk, meat, or even eggs. In some cases, airborne transmission happens when a person breathes in germs from animal saliva, waste, or secretions. In addition, there are many types of zoonotic diseases. One common example is rabies, which spreads through the bite of infected animals, especially dogs. It attacks the nervous system and can be fatal if it's not treated immediately. Another example is avian influenza or bird flu, which spreads from infected birds and causes severe respiratory illness in humans. Leptospirosis is another zoonotic disease caused by bacteria found in the urine of infected animals, such as rats. People can get it through contaminated water or soil. Finally, COVID-19 caused by the coronavirus is also believed to have originated from wild animals and has affected millions of people globally.
In conclusion, zoonotic diseases remain a major global health concern as they spread between animals and also humans. Human activities such as deforestation, climate change, and also intensive farming increase the risk of transmission. Strengthening surveillance, raising awareness, and also applying One Health approach are vital to prevent and control future outbreaks, protecting both people and animals. That's all from us. Thank you.